In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to install OBS Studio on the latest version of Windows 11, the 24H2 update. OBS Studio is one of the top free tools for screen recording and streaming, and getting it set up on your Windows 11 machine is a breeze. Let's dive in. To get started, open up your web browser and go to the official OBS Studio website. You can do that by typing in obsproject.com. Once you're there, click on the Download for Windows button. OBS Studio automatically detects your system and will give you the version that's compatible with Windows 11. After the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click on the OBS Studio installer file. A security prompt will pop up asking for permission to make changes. Just click Yes to continue. The installation wizard will open up. Click on Next, again Next, and then Install. OBS Studio will now begin installing on your Windows 11 24H2 system. This should only take a few moments. Once the installation is done, click Finish to launch OBS Studio. If it doesn't start automatically, you can find it in your Start menu. When OBS opens for the first time, you'll see the Auto Configuration wizard. This helps you optimize your settings for either recording or streaming, depending on what you plan to do. You'll want to select whether you're primarily using OBS for streaming or recording. OBS will then run a quick check of your hardware and configure the best settings for you. Once it's done, you're good to go. And there you have it. OBS Studio is now installed and set up on your Windows 11 24H2 device. Whether you're streaming or recording, you're all set to start creating content. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.